setting the date on the S&G 6300 keypad. To set the date, the first thing you do is go ahead and log in with your 2-digit code for that function, 73 star. Of course, you'll put in your PIN and ID. Whoops. We'll try that one more time. 73 star. Okay, enter new date. I'm going to go ahead and enter in today's date. We'll enter in the day first, 08, month, 10, year, 2010. Today is October 8th, 2010. Hit the OK button. Yes, that looks correct. Okay, we're good to go. The next thing we would do is actually change the time, and we do that by punching in 78 star and go ahead and put in your ID and your PIN. Hit the OK button and enter in what the new time is. And it looks like it is 3:51. Of course, this is a 24-hour clock, so we're going to have 15:51. Let's see. And there we are. Enter that and then hit the OK button, and it's changed. So that's how you set the time and date on the 6300 series keypad.